Father's Day is fast approaching, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorite gear that we have here at the Barbecue Lab. This is the stuff that I love using, and I know that your dad will love it if he's into spending time cooking outdoors. If you're new to the channel, we review everything outdoor cooking and outdoor living, so we have hands-on experience with what we want to share with you. Right out of the gate, I want to make sure that you know about our deals and discounts page. You can save hundreds on your next purchase with the discount codes and VIP pricing links that we have with some of your favorite brands. Just visit thebarbecuelab.com and click discounts and deals, where you can find lots of great gift ideas for Dad. For example, you can save $10 off a Solo Stove Mesa XL tabletop fire pit with the code BarbecueLab. We use ours around the picnic table for s'mores when we don't feel like lighting up one of our big fire pits. It's a great gift that brings the family together. If Dad likes to cook like me, a really great gift is a good knife. I used cheap subpar knives for years before I got my first great knife, and a knife goes a long way to making cooking enjoyable. My favorite knife series isn't cheap, but I can't get enough of it. It's called the Scorpion series by Dalstrong, and it's what's on my list for Father's Day. I have the chef's knife for my everyday driver. The paring knife is in my knife block in the kitchen, which is the first knife I grab for all sorts of uses. And then there's the slicing knife. This is a knife that turns heads when you're slicing brisket at the dinner table, and it cuts like butter. If it's out of the budget, I totally get it, but that's my favorite knife series right now. A knife is a great gift, and you can start buying him a single knife in a set each year to begin a fun new tradition. If you'd like to find any of these gift ideas online, Melissa and I have put links in the description below. If we're aware of a discount code, we'll put it right next to the link so you can know you're getting the best price available. A gift I got a few years back was this OXO spatula and tongs set that I use over at the grill. I have 10 or more spatulas and sets of tongs, but these are the ones I reach for first every time. They're usually sitting in the sink waiting to be washed, which tells you that they're the good ones. And for less than $20 with same-day delivery, it's a great last-minute gift. A gift I can't live without is a great instant read thermometer, and right now the Thermopin 1 is available for more than $40 off the regular price. You can get one of these for $68, which is Black Friday pricing here in the middle of June. If your dad's using a Chinese knockoff that costs $8 on Amazon, do Dad a solid and upgrade his ability to tell when the chicken is done before it dries out. Now, if your dad is like me and things are starting to get a little more wispy on top, get him a Barbecue Lab Richardson trucker hat. These are my favorite hat to wear around, and if you like the channel, you can bring a piece of it home. Just head to shop.thebarbecuelab.com, and there you can find our hats, sweatshirts, and our 4 small batch custom seasoning blends. Give Dad the gift of flavor and style this Father's Day and bring the Barbecue Lab home. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and getting a couple of ideas from it, hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more just like this. I love a good hot dog, but a few weeks back I cooked for 200 people and tried the slot dog for the first time. It's about $20 and it makes a diamond pattern on the top of a hot dog that opens up when you cook it. The oil and juices come out during the cook, it caramelizes and takes a regular old hot dog to a new level. It's something fun that I bet he hasn't tried yet. Now, does Dad have a griddle or like to make smash burgers? I love the Sasquatch Burger Press and we sell these on our website. I like them that much. The new version has a wood handle on top and has all the power I need to get that perfect smash on a burger. I highly recommend this one, and the link's down below. Let's just state the obvious here. Barbecue is a messy hobby. Raw meat, sauces, drippings, and grease are everywhere. And my favorite way to keep things contained is by using a Drip Easy prep tub. I use it for seasoning. I use another one for the meats that come off the smoker that I need to pull. It's a great gift that helps contain the mess of barbecue. You can save 10% with the code BBQLAB10 at checkout on all Drip Easy products. There's a new Stealth Weber kettle that Lowe's is offering that's pretty sweet, and you can pick it up for less than 200 bucks. It's completely blacked out, and it's a low barrier to entry in the charcoal cooking world if he's been talking about branching out from the old gas grill. Order this baby for in-store pickup, skip the lines and the hassle, and let them load it into the car for you. It's Father's Day made easy. Lighting fires is a part of barbecue and grilling, and there's this little lightsaber lighter that I've been using to light my fires lately. Yes, I'm a nerd and a geek, and I love all things Star Wars. If your dad is also a Star Wars nerd, he can bring a galaxy far, far away to the backyard when he's lighting fires. Now, fun note, you can change the flame from blue to red so he can channel his Jedi or Sith leanings as well. I hope this gives you a few ideas for Father's Day, and if nothing else, volunteer to clean your dad's grill. Buy a bottle of this Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner, make sure it's the red bottle and not the black bottle, and give the gift of elbow grease and a clean grill this Father's Day. Give Dad a hug for me. I'm David. Behind the camera is Melissa, who bought me this lightsaber lighter, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.